Brad William, XL Prime. We're going to continue on the copying down stuff. Show a series of consecutive days. Here, just a quick overview of what we did previously. Here, we're looking at days. We're going to take B5 and we're just going to add 1. All right, that's it. Now, if you try to do this with months, it kind of gets, unless you know exactly the number of days, and that still is tough to do. Here with days, you can play around with here, and you can do it with months if you want to. You see the other tools that we can play around with and do the same thing. E-date, for example. But here, if you need to add a date, subtract a date, or if you want to add, oh, I don't know, let's go 10. We can change this if we want. If you, let's say you wanted every 10 days thereafter, just go 10. But it's going to change everything else, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then if you want to go backwards, hit Control-Z or back, and then hit minus 10. It's going to go back a year. You can just manipulate this or change this any way you want. Maybe if you want to get carried away, you can go plus 455. All right. So it's going to go 455 days forward. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks.